If you have been in a club in the last 20 years, then you've probably heard a beat something like this. And I'm going to show you how to play it. I promise it's actually dead simple. What you're going to do first of all is play a hi-hat, listening over here, and a bass drum on beats 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can get a bit more technical, but you can also feel this out too. So I'm going to say it before I tell you how to play it. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. If we break this down to just 2 beats, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. So we've got snare drums falling in between these beats. One is slightly later than the other, so that is on the when we count 16th notes, and you don't have to worry about this too much. We have 1 E and So we're getting 1 E and 2 and 3, 4. 1 E and 2 and. Just have that rhythm in your head. That is going to be what plays on the left. So we get 1, 2, and. Maybe loop it around like that. 1, 2, and. Then you just got to loop the snare. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. And there you have it, a simplified version of the groove you would have heard everywhere.